What's up, everyone? Back at it again in the 03 GT. So today we are tearing apart the dash so we can get to all the wiring. As you guys know, I'm doing a whole custom Haltech wiring harness. It's the universal harness for the Elite 2000. So during this quarantine, I got a lot of time, and I already started, as you could see. That was kind of a pain. So if anyone's wondering how to do this, to take the boot off, you got to yank this all the way up, and when you get these two bolts off and you get those two bolts off, this one and that one, you just yank this all the way up so it's like straight up in the air and just yeet it right off. You don't have to pull the boot off because we made that mistake. But so I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing apart this interior. It seems like a headache so far, but I'm only 20-30 minutes in, so yeah, let me start this and then I'll get back up with you guys. Peace. So this piece, you want to grab one of these and just pry around it. It just pops right off. So we'll put that to the side. On the side, see what we got next. Probably start taking these nuts off. Then these ones, pull the radio. Yep, but moving along. All right, well, we stopped there for now. Took all this junk off. Started pulling all that. Then got started on that side. Found some money. But this is a project indeed. I'll tell you what, brother. But I'm gonna have to bring all that and organize all this junk. But we're gonna pause right there for probably tonight. Get back on it tomorrow. Day one complete. All right, we're back in the garage. I just pulled all the bolts off here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the dash out. And then I'm gonna go from there. I'm not sure what to get next, but I'm gonna take all this out and then see where to go from there. Got all this jazz taken out. I'm gonna go ahead and head back under here and figure out where the bolts are hiding, and then start tearing everything apart. I think I'm gonna have to drop the steering column. Matter of fact, kind of stinks because I didn't want to do that, but drop the steering column, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, sorry for the super short video today. This is going on day 2 of the dash, I guess, deinstall, or the dash takeout. I gotta wake up super early in the morning tomorrow. But so what we managed to do today was tear out this part, pull the steering wheel, take this off. This went to the steering rack. I just took it off right over there. And now this gives us a lot better access to see everything and hopefully start tearing stuff apart some more. But yep, that's day 2. Hopefully tomorrow we get most of the rest of this done. There's all that junk. But alrighty, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. All right, what's up, everyone? We're back at it again. Next day here, making some decent progress, but it's getting pretty loose. We just got a few more miscellaneous bolts in here. Like back there's a few. They really made this a pain to take out, to be honest. And this makes me want to delete my AC even more because the ducts are everywhere. But this is it. Pulled all the trim off and stuff. Yep. Making some decent progress here. Alright, what's up, everyone? Back in the garage. So to take this dash out, you gotta take these lines off. So these are the AC lines. I went to Harbor Freight and picked up these tools. You stick the tool in there like this. This one's a little difficult, but you stick it in there and then somehow push it this way towards us, and then this piece will just pull on out. It'll just pull right out somehow. But I think that's the last one I gotta get because I already got these ones. Gotta get that, or no, I already got that one, duh. And then I gotta get the one I'm working on right now, which is this one. But then the dash should be done, or fully out, I should say. Got this piece of junk out. This is, if any of y'all do an AC delete, you must save a bunch of weight and room and shit, because this big piece is coming right out. And look at all these holes we got now.
It's leaking.
Now the dash is fully out, and that is bare bones, just wires. And now you got a lot of room to stuff wires and stuff. But that's it. All right, so we're back up front, in front of the car. Since we finished up the dash, we're gonna start pulling all these wires, figure out which wires go to the headlights, just start separating all the wires, pull this battery box out, and start cleaning all this up so we can start with the Haltech wiring, because I want to get this wiring done and over with already. But if y'all forgot, that's what it looks like. So back in the garage, everyone. So slight change of plans. It's kind of unfortunate, but I watched the movie Ford vs. Ferrari. It kind of inspired me a little bit. So the plan was to do the custom universal Haltech wiring kit, but we're going to switch that plans over. Well, first, as a side note, I live in New York originally, and in New York, you need to get like an emissions test. So I need my OBD2 sensor, and plugging in the Haltech Universal, it kind of deletes it almost, because we wouldn't be using the computer on the car. So I need that to pass inspection, because it's going to be strictly a street car. So what I'm going to do is just do the boom slang version of it, the boom slang harness on the Mustang. So I returned the Universal, and I'm waiting on the boom slang harness now. So yeah, that being said, I watched the Ford vs. Ferrari movie, and I figured I'm building a street race car. I want to do it right, and I'm just going to take the AC out. I'm going to delete a bunch of weight in it. So this is just so you guys remember what the dash looks like, but I'm going to be deleting all the AC wires, all that AC stuff. But as of right now, I'm going to take the radiator out. I mean, not the radiator, the AC condenser out. So there's just two bolts. There's a bolt right there, right over there, and then the same on the other side that I already took out. So I'm going to pull this AC condenser out, pull all this AC junk out, clear up some more room, and then start clearing up some more of these wires, because we're getting close here. Yeah, I got a big surprise coming for you guys on Sunday. So here we go. All right, so like so, those two bolts come out, and that frees bad boy up. And it should just pull. Well, it pulls right out. I got all this junk, so I got to clear this all out the car, and then let me set it on the floor real quick. All right, I got all this junk out. So here it is. So now I'm gonna throw it up for sale, I guess, because I don't need no more. But as you can see, it clears up a lot of room up in here. I'm gonna have a fat radiator and with a fat radiator and then a fat intercooler. Looking to get 6-inch intercooler. So yeah, that really clears up a lot of room. That means I could take this bracket out, take all this out, or just take this. I believe this one to it too. So I got to go through the car and start taking these lines out, figuring out which one's the AC ones, and just dumping them, taking them all out. But yep, I'm gonna get started. All right, my apologies everyone for this is probably one of the worst videos I've made so far, but I had to get some content out because it's been a while. But now this is the legit overview of the car. I'm gonna clear everything up here. So I was going with the universal wiring harness from Haltech, changed it up because it was too complicated for me, and I need to pass my OBD2 test in New York once this car is up in New York. So we're going with the boom slang harness, which makes everything so much easier. I can reuse all the stock wiring and still be able to tune the car perfectly. So right now, we have to tape these wires to the side. I've just got to pull all them out because I have to clear some rust out of here and paint. But yeah, so I got to clear most of this out. But same thing in the inside. The dash is all out. The wires are still the same, so nothing special there. So like I said, sorry for the bad video. It was just, I had to get something out to you guys because I know y'all are sitting at home bored. But so we got big things coming. I'm telling you, stay tuned for the next video. I'm picking up some good stuff. I never thought I'd get to this point where the car could actually be done one day, but I came over a guy from Florida and he's giving me a steal for a bunch of parts, and I couldn't be more excited. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next clip in this video because it's going to give you a sneak peek of what I'm getting on Sunday. All right, love you guys. Stay safe.